Oh. Oh. Yo, what's up? All right, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Adam James. I do a lot of tech reviews, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite brands of portable objects, wireless chargers, portable batteries, NASs, power banks. We're talking about UGREEN. So tell me if you haven't heard about UGREEN, but today we're getting into the UGREEN Qi 2 fast magnetic wireless charger for, it says iPhones. So we're gonna get into this today. We're gonna test it out. I'm gonna do an unboxing, do a reveal, kind of go through the specs, tell you guys what I think about it and what I like, what I don't like. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, a little sneak peek. This thing's, it's built awesome. It's super premium. You can just tell by holding the box, this thing is solid. But yeah, we're gonna get into it today, guys. I'm gonna walk you through. We're gonna go through the specs, do a deep dive on this bad boy. You guys tell me what you think. Aight, let's go. All right, guys. So we're gonna get into the UGREEN Qi 2 QI2 certified 15-watt fast charging. It says for iPhone, but it's going to work for pretty much anything MagSafe. So, but it's a magnetic attachment, strong and precise, snap and charge, foldable and portable, which was my main reason for picking this up, because it was foldable and portable. So I really like the idea of being able to like maybe slide this in my pocket. So that was a huge benefit for me. So I really got interested in this. And I love UGREEN products. They've been solid. A couple of these guys over here like the stick to the back of your phone kind of guys, kind of doodads, and these things are awesome for recording on the go. But anyways, back into this product. So it's a stand charger. I mean, you can run it flat or you can prop it up. I think it goes up to 70 degrees. But yeah, so 2-in-1 magnetic charger, wireless charger. Says for iPhone 12 to 15 series, AirPods 2, 3, and Pro 2. So it's a Qi 2 15-watt UGREEN. All right, so let's look at the back. So 2-in-1 input. So it's 5-volt, 2 amp, 9-volt, 3 amp, or 12-volt, 2.5 amp. Wireless charging total output power is 20-volt max. iPhone up to 15 watts. AirPods 5 watts. Wireless charging frequencies and do that. So let's get that peel going. Oh, she's spicy. All right, let's get it pulled out. Slow-mo. All right, guys, set that box out to the side. From first look, let's get it pulled out. All right, I can already tell this thing's built pretty well. This is super premium. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. All right. So we got no paperwork. So we got your power cord. Looks like it's a Type-C to Type-C, A+ UGREEN. Honestly, I'm not surprised that they do that. Type-C is the way to go. Got a, yep, cool. Instruction manuals. Honestly, what are these for, guys? What are they for? Let's get this stuff out of the way. Woo! All right, let's get this bad boy open. Let's take a peek. That was the worst peel ever. All right. As you can see, this thing is pretty premium. UGREEN's really good about their products, about making them look and feel really premium. So it's 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. Says it's for iPhone. It's probably going to work for other MagSafe chargers as well. It's got a soft touch feeling on this right here, and it's got soft touch on the back for a non-slick surface, so you want to put it on your desk or anything. And this seriously would fit in your pocket. You could literally take this anywhere you want to go and pack the cable or whatnot. Who doesn't have a Type-C cable, to be honest, these days? So it's pretty crazy. It says more for you. I don't know what that means. It's like a slogan. I've never heard that slogan with UGREEN. I don't know. They'll have to let me know. UGREEN, if you're out there, sponsor me. Anyways, but foldable, 70 degrees. So that's pretty stinking nice. Oh, so the AirPods sit here. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty dope. As you can see, guys, it sits up 70 degrees. This is max, so you can you can sit anywhere you want, all the way down and about, or flip it up. Pop your phone on there. Okay, hold on. I got my case on mine, so we'll take it off. Take it off. Mine's 3D printed, so it's not like the super strongest MagSafe hold, but yeah, bam, with that sideways. So you stick that on there. You can tilt it however way you want to. I like doing this because it displays like the big clock on here. I'm a huge fan of that. But this is really pretty sick. Not gonna lie. So, but yeah, Type-C charging. So let's go ahead and get this undone. So pop it off. So like I said, for iPhone, it does, I think, 15 watt max for iPhone, and it was 5 watts for AirPod charging. So, which is pretty dope. Let me get this plugged in. Let's give it a little test. All right. Oh, I'm not plugged in. Hold on. Wasn't turned on. Here we go. Wanted. All right, there we go. Charging. 43% charge. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. So, boom. 43% charge. Yeah, ignore my screen. Yeah. Hashtag 6kids. That's what that does for you. See, they're watching Wally upstairs. Anyways, charging. It does fast charging. Supports fast charging up to, I think it was 25 watts. Type-C to Type-C. I mean, it supports the AirPods. I'm going to test this out on a Samsung, probably the S25, to see if it works on there too. But 70 degree angle charging. Do it like this. Put your phone in there and tilt it however. I don't know, guys. You tell me what you think. This thing, it feels really good. The premium quality and the build. I just really like UGREEN stuff. That's why I buy all these chargers, especially if you're like a content creator like I am. Like having these on the go, it's like these are all UGREEN. So having these for the go, I mean, it's so nice. And for recording, if you're a person that vlogs or takes a lot of video, especially 4K video like I do, I mean, it's a no-brainer, guys. It's a no-brainer for these things. But yeah, so I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. So who is this going to be for? This is going to be for anybody that travels or just wants a portable charging device for them to take around with them. Maybe throw it into a laptop bag, or chuck it in a gym bag or anything. If you got someone to replace a portable stand like that at a gym. I mean, you never know. I would try it. But yeah, for me, I'm going to chuck it in my laptop bag. I'm going to take it to and from the office. It's going to be great for work and for me to take places and traveling and everything. So that's for me. Like I said, this is a review for the UGREEN Qi 2 fast charging wireless charging stand, and this bad boy right here. Boo, 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 boo. But yeah, so you guys let me know what you think about it. And I was not sponsored by UGREEN for this at all. Bought it with my own money. I'm just a huge UGREEN fan. I like a lot of their portable products. I like their portable batteries, battery chargers, phone chargers, these bad boys that stick to the back of your phone. If you're someone like me that likes to video on the go and take a lot of 4K video, these are going to be excellent for the go. So along with the portable stand, portable charger. So, but yeah, that's who it's going to be for. And like I said earlier, I was not paid for. I was not sponsored by the UGREEN. I bought this with my own money because I wanted it. There will be a link in the description for this item if you guys like it and if you guys want it. It also helps the channel massively as we're pushing towards 50 subscribers. 50, dude. 50 dubs. But yeah, once again, I'm Adam James, and I appreciate you guys for coming by and watching this, and let me know what you guys want to see next, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.